You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Very interesting. What sort of soup are we having today? The soup of the day is what it means. If you want to learn more cooking terms, French cuisine, vocabulary, stay tuned. The French pronunciation here, soupe du jour. Yes, French for soup is soup. Quite similar. I think it comes from French, doesn't it? Du jour meaning of the day. Jour is a day in French. So soupe du jour is the French pronunciation. In English, you can say it as soupe du jour. In English, you wouldn't have an E to soup, but the E is silent, so that's fine. Soupe du jour. In English, soupe du jour. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.